guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to share with you how I made these beautiful crystal candlestick holders or candle holders. I made them with some items that I picked up from my dollar store and the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to get started. So right here I have a candlestick or a candle holder that I picked up from my dollar store. I got this for 99 cents. I picked up two, and as you can see, it's crystal and it's made by the company Misaka. So I picked up two of them. They're about 3 inches in height and they're absolutely beautiful. I mean, I love them. I thought this would make a great DIY. So I'm just going to peel off the label. I'm going to get started. So the round mirror I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and right now I'm just going to show you the numbers in the back. So now I'm just going to peel off the paper off the back of the mirror, and I'm going to clean it off a little bit. And I'm also going to clean off the candlestick holder. So right here guys, this glue is called the Quick Hold. I picked this up from Amazon. I love working with these small tubes. They dispense small amounts of glue at one time. So right now I'm just applying a little bit of that Quick Hold to the top of the candlestick holder, and I'm going to apply it to the center of the mirror. And I'm going to set that off to dry for about 2 hours. Before I do that, I'm going to take this dish with some coins in it. I'm going to place it on top of the candlestick holder so it can apply pressure and help it to set to the mirror. So these are the crystals I'm going to be working with. I picked these crystals up from a company called Chandelier Design. They're on Amazon. These are absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, they're iridescent in color. These are real glass chandelier crystals, and I want you to see that they do have 2 holes on either end. That's so you can thread your chain when you hang them from your chandelier. But I'm going to use them on my dish today. A couple of weeks ago I made this one, and this came out absolutely lovely, so I'm going to do the same thing again with these chandelier pieces. This is the card. The card says chandelierdesign.com, and on the back of the card there's going to be some information that you might be interested in. There's a code that says use code SAVE10. I guess it's 10%. I didn't get 10% when I ordered mine, but I got this card in my package. And so so I'm just sharing that with you. So right now I'm going to get started. It's been about 2 hours, and so now I'm going to start to adhere the crystals to the mirror. So I'm using a small amount of adhesive, and I'm just going to apply the crystals over top. If your glass pieces aren't in the place that you want them to be in, all you have to do is just shift it around. You do have a little bit of time to play with. So I'm creating a wavy-like design with the crystal pieces. I'm just going to lean one in and one out. I'm going to alternate this design all the way around the mirror. So now that this is done, I'm going to take and adhere one crystal to each segment of the candlestick holder. So there are 4 sides to this candlestick holder. I'm going to apply one crystal in each section. And guys, that is it for this design. It came out really beautiful. I absolutely love the way this looks. I made 2 and here they both go. And the iridescent chandelier crystals are gorgeous. I love the way they look. I love the color. The color is beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Stay blessed and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.